Good morning, everybody. It's Friday. It's 3:13 in the morning, and we are headed to work. So I thought I'd do a different video this morning and let you know what it looks like when I'm going to work and you all are in bed sleeping. Which, like I say, it's Friday morning. Oh, it's 3:14 a.m. Which I don't know, I'd leave about this time in the morning. So, how's your week been? I was going to film on my days off. Obviously, I did not. And thank you. I've got some new subscribers. I think I'm up to like 914 or something. Thank you. I surely do appreciate that. Surely do appreciate that. I'm going to try to give you something to watch, something decent. Don't really know much of what. This is a hill I have to go down when it snows, and I don't stop here at this stop sign. I just keep on driving. I lived here, let's see, I moved in October of 19. No. Let's see. Well, yeah, I guess I did October of 81. And I lived there until like I lived here for 12 years anyway. 12, 13 years. The temperature this morning anyway is 32 degrees. So anyway, when they redid the bottom of the hill down there, it didn't used to be that. We didn't have, I don't know if there was a stop sign or not, but anyway. They they redid the bottom. But anyway, when it snows, it's like you just keep on going up the hill. Because if you stopped, you were definitely messed up. You couldn't get up the hill. So that's that. I have such a mess in my trailer, and my leg is healing somewhat. I'm having some issues with my shin. Oh, I've actually hit it a couple times. The door has come back on it when I'm getting out of my car because it's my left leg, and actually I put my left leg out first before my right. And then the door comes back on it. Oh, gosh, that hurts so bad. And then when I've been in bed, because it's cold in my trailer, because the heat's been running continuous, I can't wait to see my electric bill. After I get my electric bill, I may not be around anymore because I may be dead because that sucker's been running and running and running. Oh, it's crazy. And anyway, so my bedroom and my bathroom are right in between the furnace is in between the bathroom and the bedroom. And so those two rooms stay real warm. I'm having issues with air flowing into the kitchen and the living room. So it stays kind of cold in there. So when it's cold, I have a TV in my room, of course. And I don't know. I've just been getting up here and there, and I rearranged my bench. I put it in my craft room / guest room, relaxation room. Which is anything but relaxing right now because it's full of tubs and window air conditioner and extra tiles that didn't get used. And I don't know. I've got to go through this stuff and get rid of it. You know what I'm trying to say. I got to get rid of a bunch of stuff. I wanted a tiny house. I don't know how I expected to put all this stuff in this tiny house, especially with no cabinets in the kitchen. So, but I've decided that I'm not going to spend any more money on stuff like that. I'm just going to deal and do with what I have. I have to paint the filing cabinets, which I ended up putting in the kitchen. Unless I find something for free, then I'll get it, change it, whatever. Or if it's a couple bucks, anything under 20 bucks. If I could find a counter or cabinet, because I've got the top piece, which I have over my filing cabinets. This is odd for somebody to be out in front of me. I passed a lot, 2 or 3 cars already. And this is very different for a Friday morning. And I'm really need to figure out what's going on with my heat. Because I'll be freezing. Oh, so anyway, it's a bigger mess than what it was, and it's really getting on my nerves. It's just hard to get rid of things, you know. And it's that time of year. It's January. I've been in there. I went and said goodbye to the house and got all my stuff. Oh, I think I'm going to go straight. January 23rd was when I left the house for good. I got everything that I wanted out of there. Or September 23rd. 22nd. September 22nd. Well, I tell you, I've got some things done, but gosh, it doesn't seem like I've really, because I don't have anywhere to put anything. And then everybody's like, well, you need a shed. Okay, if I had a shed and I'm putting stuff out there that I'm not using, then why do I have it? Gosh. So, you know, what do? It's hard. Donna, Great Power 60, she's going through her thing this year like she did last year, and purging and getting rid of things. And I'm taking y'all a different way this morning. My kids used to go to this school up here on the left, which we already passed their grade school. Before I moved them out to BFE, the country, they hated life out there. One of my co-workers lives over there, but to the right, which you can't see. If you make a right or a left right here at the stop sign, the junior high and the high school are over there. And the kids had to walk from where I pulled out of the driveway over here. They don't have bus service here. And they never close school. If they close Erlanger Ellesmere, it's bad. So that's one way to go about the weather, to figure out how bad it is. If they actually close Erlanger Ellesmere, then it's definitely bad out. So anywho, so I hope y'all had a good week, and you're going to have a good weekend. This is the beginning of my week. It went Johnny Law. This is my Monday. I'm going to work, and I work till Tuesday. So this is my early day, though. I get off at 11. So who knows? You might just get 2 videos in one day. You just never know. And this light is so slow. So sometimes I do this back up. Maybe I'm not on the lines right. And now we're in drive. And we're going to turn left. Ta-da! So what are y'all planning on doing this weekend? I may go home and go to sleep. Sometimes I do. I don't know why I do that on my early days, but I do. I've been sleeping a lot because I've been cold and aggravated. And ooh, blue light special. Johnny on the spot. But like I was saying, and then Joanne Plans. So I haven't got to watch a lot of her lives. And I don't understand why I can't go live anymore. I went live before. I just don't understand why now all of a sudden I can't go live anymore. It says I'm live, but nobody ever shows up. So. And the other day, a couple of you said that I was live. I had downloaded a thing on my phone that said it worked with YouTube, but I couldn't tell on my phone, and I couldn't get any comment. I didn't see any comments, so I don't know. I'm getting stupid about this because I've been out of it for so long. And I usually stop up here at this Speedway and get my cigarettes, which I can't afford them anymore. I've got to stop smoking. And I'm there, I brought my vape, and I'm not there very long, so I'm not stopping today. And their gas is $2.44. Dang it. I paid $2.49, which I could use some more to fill my tank up. So I don't know. I'm going to try to get into a few projects. I made a couple of earrings last night. And then somebody had asked me to show y'all when I roll my hair. I'm going to try to do that too. Because I've got a magnetic phone case. And I can possibly put my phone on my dryer and you might be able to see. I don't know if that doesn't work, then I'm going to stick something else metal to my mirror and see, or get some kind of suction thing or something. I don't know. I will figure it out for you. Well, 10 minutes and 38 seconds. Takes about 15 minutes to get there, which that's what it took before when I was on the expressway coming from the house. So I don't know. Thank goodness I didn't fall down the steps this morning, people. Yippee-yay. So I moved some things around again. I'm still not, 100%. Cigarettes. Gotta have another cigarette. Gotta have a drink at the Dew. Give me Starbucks when I get in the airport. If McDonald's was open, I would stop at McDonald's and get my breakfast. Get me some gravy. But that's something else at the beginning of the year. I've got to start going to Planet Fitness again. And, well, I guess I got to get this leg kind of healed some first, figure out what's going on with it. I don't know. It kind of feels like when your skin, your shin, how it gets dry and it burns. But I've got 2 nicks in it. I guess I'll have to show y'all. But anyway, it burns and I don't know, it feels awful. So, and it's pretty, well, it's not as bruised as I thought it would be, but I did a number. At least I didn't break anything, though, thank goodness. So now we're getting ready to be on airport property. This is called Airport Road. This road's 3 names: Commonwealth, Donaldson, and Airport Road. It changes in different sections of the road. So I'm supposed to be going 50 miles an hour and I'm only going 45. So imagine this person behind me is getting a little disturbed. And if I could turn I have my phone on my rear view mirror. Joanne Plans took a hair tie, talked about putting hair ties on your rear view mirror if you don't have a car thing, which I do have, and I just haven't figured it out yet. So I just take a couple hair bands, rubber band thingies, and I put it on my rear view mirror, hanging off some so that I can see what's behind me. So that works out pretty cool when you don't have a car holder for your phone. I hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's not been sick or anything. Well, a lot of people have been having the gunk and the flu and the bronchitis, and working at the airport's kind of scary. They were talking on CNN or something, or the news the other day, about the germs, and at the holidays, the reason why the flu's so bad is because so many people flew, and they don't, if you fly, make sure that you take sanitizing, which I'm sure you do, wipes, because they say that those tables that you use, that you pull down, don't get cleaned every single time. They get cleaned at the end of the night, but not every single time after every single patient or passenger. So that's why you should carry antiseptic wipes with you or whatever. And there's a bus. I'll get my badge out. I gotta swipe my badge to get in, which is down underneath my zipper. So this is what I have to do to get to the airport. have to get on that bus or a bus like that. And then ride over to the airport. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Excuse the sinuses. So I try to park as close to the bus station as possible. Got a car pulling up next to me, and they're going to think I'm a goofball because I'm sitting here talking to myself. So, 15 minutes and 38 seconds it takes me to get here. Then I didn't stop, so that's even more time. But anyway, I'm at the airport, and I may add some more to this when I get inside, like I've done before. Show you the inside of my work, the airport. I hope that y'all have a lovely weekend. And hey, don't forget to spread a little sunshine. Bye. Thanks for stopping by.